Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, let's show you on how you can import a flashcard deck to Anki. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to look for your flashcard deck. In my case, I'm heading over to the ankiweb.net shared decks. Basically, maybe if you want to learn something like Spanish or French, you can just type that right here and you will be able to navigate through the categorized shared decks. So to make things easier, I'll just click on the first one right here, which is the 4000 Essential English Words All book. Scroll down to this specific site and then you want to click on the download button. Basically, it's really easy to import flashcard deck onto Anki. So just wait for the download to finish, and basically there's two ways to do this, which is to just click the downloaded file right here, or you can navigate through the folder, maybe inside something like your downloaded onto documents, or just head over to the path of your downloaded file. So now that it's done, the only thing left to do is double click on it, wait for it to load in, and then your Anki application will open automatically. In here, we have some additional options like the import any learning progress. So I'll just click on the import button, and from there, you're basically good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.